Rex Dart Eskimo Spy. Alright guys, welcome back. So I'm doing something a little different. So there's two things that my dad got today. One of them were these things. These are flavors that you would add to drinks, usually a sparkling drink, so you can basically create your own soda. Right now we have vanilla syrup, mango syrup, cherry syrup. I personally like the cherry. And the cherry works for what we're going to do. Because what's my favorite soda in the world? Cherry Coke. But Diet Cherry Coke, because I'm a diabetic, so I can only drink diet soda. So, yep. I'm going to teach you how to make your homemade version of Cherry Diet Coke. Badass. First, you get your cup. Then you fill your cup with ice. Then you open your soda. Pour it into the cup. Careful because of all the fizziness. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to take your cherry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pump this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason why 4 is because I did this earlier with sparkling water, and while it was a mixture of cherry and vanilla, that was as many, we had to do 2 of each for both for about a glass this size. Next, you're gonna get something to stir it with. Don't judge me, but I like to stir drinks with a knife. Stir that around. And now, to try your delicious drink. Tastes just like Cherry Coke. It's delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, because another episode of Max's Quarantine Treats will be in a day or two, where I do the trailer park pizza. Yep, we're doing it again.
Before we jump in, as always, please subscribe to this channel and please click the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded.